We're going on the Prof Bricks Factory adventure ride. It's the history of Lego. Ben wants to show 1969. We'll continue so fast because there's no line right now. So fast. Owen is excited. Go. The toys are ready for kids. We're getting on the ride. We're on the ride. All 6 of us fit perfectly. Get ready. Holy moly.
Stage 1. Melting.
We start with the granules, stored in our giant hoppers, and melt them down using dragon fire. Oh, but the dragon's asleep again. I need your help to wake him up. Roar as loud as you can after 3, 2, 3. Roar! Not loud enough. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Roar!
He's awake.
Whoa.
Stage 2. Molding.
Now our elephants smash the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3. Minifigure production.
That's right! Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Lego magic, turning you into
We're gonna get shrunk. Ah, we're getting
Yes,
shrunk.
the machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another.
They're gonna shrink us.
Hold on, everyone! This is it!
Oh no! Oh my god.
The transformation is complete!
Whoa, we're small.
Stage 4.
We're teeny.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure!
Whoa, the boxes are so big. We're Lego sized finally.
You look awesome!
Yeah. Oh, what happened? Something happened to the ride. It stopped over there too. We've been told to remain seated. How's the ride so far, Matthew?
It's good, but now we stopped. So
How
it's
many
bad.
out of 10 do you rate it? We're gonna be Lego
9.5.
sized. We'll be Lego sized forever now. Lego sized forever. See, the box is so big. The ride broke down, so we get an awesome awaits pass, and we have to get off mid-ride now. So we'll be using this later in our day. We're on the special tour through the ride. It's amazing. Yeah, special experience just for us. If they're programmed how to drive, it's not tracks. Oh, is this the end? Oh, it's the end of the ride, okay. Oh, tight here.
Put your arms, come on, give yourself a wave, and strike a pose for the camera in 3, 2, 1.
Stage 5. Dispatch.
It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers.
Big soul.
Let's get you from the factory